In this short tutorial guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not letting you create a new account. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager right here. As you can see on this page, you will find all the apps that you have. Go to TikTok, click on this option here, it's called force stop, and then go to the permissions, enable all the permissions right here, and then go to the data usage and make sure also that the mobile data and the Wi-Fi are enabled. Disable the background data and the roaming data. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache. And now you have to go into the power usage details and make sure that power consumption alert is enabled. And now all what you want to do next is go back into the settings of your phone, click on wireless and networks, and then go to the airplane mode and enable it and then disable it back. Now all what you want to do next is very simple, just restart your phone and reopen TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.